In this video, I want to show you how you can set up Create to cut scraps of material. So on your mat, you would want to place all of your scraps wherever on your mat, and then they need to be at the same position in the software. So if I have a 3 by 3 inch square, then I place that here, and if I have a, approximately 4, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, I would probably go ahead and make this piece 5 by 3.5. You have to place the sizes here in the same spot that you do on your mat. So you can't have, let me go ahead and ungroup this. You can't have this here in the software and on your mat you place the material here. Okay, they have to be in the same exact spot. Well, not exact, but if you have a tight fit, like this circle down here, then you're going to want to make sure that this one is in, pretty much the exact spot that it is on your mat as well. Okay, so then what I do is I select all my shapes and I group them. All right, and then I'll take all my designs and I'll put them on top of my material, and this is where they're going to cut out. Okay, now like I was saying, if this is pretty close like this, you want to make sure that you put this shape at 11 by, it's actually at about 8, let's see, 7. So you want to make sure that you have this placed in the software in the same spot that you have it placed on your mat. Same thing as with a Cricut, okay? And then what I do is the reason I grouped my shapes or my material, let's say, is because if I don't turn that off, it's going to cut that, okay? So if I can then turn that off, then the only cut lines I have are my shapes, all right? So then I'll come to Create, and I'll be in What You See Is What You Get, and use the software speed and pressure. I'm saying that I'm cutting this out of all Starcraft HD, which, has these settings and my pressure set at 15. And then I can go ahead and create as long as I have my blade placed right here on the mat, okay? So it's pretty simple to do. Try it out. Just try a couple pieces of scraps randomly placed. And, again, make sure you're in WYSIWYG mode and you have your pressure set to what it needs to be. And you're using this pressure, not the pressure that's set on the machine, okay? And it should work just fine for you. Thanks for watching.